Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When selecting a payment processing solution, understanding the key features and services of platforms like Square and Stripe is crucial. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Understanding the types of accounts offered helps in evaluating each platform. Square provides a range of services including POS systems, online payments, and payroll. Stripe offers robust online payment processing, subscriptions, billing, and in-person payments through Stripe Terminal. Integration and customization. Both platforms offer different levels of integration and customization capabilities. Square, known for its easy setup and user-friendly interface, Square integrates seamlessly with various third-party applications like QuickBooks, Shopify, and WooCommerce. Stripe excels in customization and developer-friendly tools, offering extensive APIs and documentation for integrating payment processing into websites and mobile apps. Hardware and POS systems. Examining hardware options and POS systems helps businesses with in-person sales. Square offers a comprehensive suite of POS hardware including Square Reader, Square Stand, Square Terminal, and Square Register. Stripe primarily focuses on online payments but offers Stripe Terminal for in-person transactions. Stripe Terminal also provides pre-certified card readers. E-commerce and online payments. Understanding online payment capabilities is essential for e-commerce businesses. Square provides Square Online for building e-commerce websites and integrating online payments. Square's online solutions are designed to be easy to set up and use. Stripe specializes in online payment processing with features like recurring billing, one-click checkout, and support for various payment methods. Reporting and analytics. Both platforms offer tools for monitoring business performance and financial health. Square provides robust reporting and analytics through the Square dashboard, offering insights into sales, customer behavior, and inventory management. Stripe offers detailed reporting and financial reconciliation through the Stripe dashboard. Stripe's advanced analytics tools include real-time data, customizable reports, and integration with accounting software. Security and compliance. Security features are vital for protecting sensitive payment information. Square ensures security with PCI compliance, end-to-end encryption, and tokenization. Square also offers dispute management tools and fraud detection to safeguard transactions. Stripe, known for its robust security features including PCI compliance, encryption, tokenization, and advanced machine learning algorithms. Customer support. Effective customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. Square provides customer support via phone, email, and live chat, along with a comprehensive help center and community forum. Stripe offers customer support through email, live chat, and phone, with priority support available for enterprise customers. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. Square targets small to medium-sized businesses, particularly those needing a comprehensive POS system and easy-to-use tools for managing both in-person and online sales. Stripe appeals to online businesses, startups, and large enterprises needing scalable and customizable payment processing solutions. Conclusion. Both Square and Stripe offer powerful payment processing solutions tailored to different business needs. Square is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses needing an all-in-one POS system and user-friendly tools for managing sales. Stripe excels in providing customizable, developer-friendly solutions for online businesses and large enterprises. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.